So guys, alam ko kakasweldo lang. And one thing that I actually wanna share to everyone is, pagdating ng sweldo mo, since you already have these high yield savings account or yung mga digital banks na to, why would you put a portion of your savings or your earnings in a high yield savings account? Kasi, di ba isipin mo, yung payroll natin, usually, a lot of our payroll will not have interest. It's just how it is eh. That's how it works. Kasi, number one, when you go to a company and the company works with a bank, syempre, gumagawa sila ng isang payroll account, which is usually walang interest. Or it is not interest earning. Kasi nga, wala siyang maintaining balance, blah, 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 etc., etc. But, di ba, sabi ko nga, if may free transfer naman yung bank na yan or whatever man, why don't you put it in your digital bank? Anong mga digital banks na pwede mong ilagay? Marami, guys. Ano pang gusto mong mga digital banks? Pwede mo siya ilagay sa Cbank, GoTime. You can put it in your CIMB, sa GCash. You can also put it sa Uno Digital, Union Digital. A lot of it depends on what you really want, diba? On where you want to save. There's no right or wrong when it comes to saving in a high-yield savings account or whatever digital bank you choose. Pero ang lagi yung sinasabi, go with a digital bank na na-try mo na. And yung features, yun yung gusto mo. For example, I do like putting it in Cbank because maraming transfers yan. Every week, 15 free transfers. Napakadali gamitin yung system niya. Sobrang easy gamitin. They also have a Cbank card right now which you can incur or when you can get cashback whenever you tap to pay. Diba? Sa GCash, I do have the CIMB. I put it in Union Digital, Uno Digital, and I also have one on Maybank, BPI. The thing there is, but maganda siya, is madali siya eh. Pag nasa GCash mo siya, pwede mo kagad i-transfer in and out, and usually free of charge siya. So, mas madali. Then, GoTime, you can easily withdraw with all of the different partners ni GoTime sa mga grocery stores, department stores niya, di ba? So, easy rin siya. Those are things na, guys, you have to just do it every single time na nagpe-payday. But, pag nasanay ka, it will become clockwork, and then, sobrang dali na yan. Sadly, wala tayong mga automated savings, wala tayong masyadong mga features na ganyan na parang pwede mo ikaltas yung pera mo, papadala mo sa isang bank account. Sadly, not a lot of banks have that feature, but we have to do it manually. And when you do it manually, this is a reminder for you, put it there. Tingnan mo how the interest grows. Because if you compare it with wherever you're putting it, maybe in a traditional bank, nothing against a traditional bank, it's just that mababa. Eh, syempre, let's make our money grow, di ba? This is one step na kaya natin siyang patubuin ng mas maganda, mas malaki. And pag nakikita nyo siya, I promise you guys, matutuwa ka. Yun yung gusto ko. Yun talagang natutuwa ka na, oh my gosh, meron. Yun yung masaya. Yun muna. Bye guys.